Welcome. If you found your way here, maybe it's because your mind feels like a storm. That relentless whirlwind of what-ifs and constant replays of conversations can leave you feeling utterly exhausted. You're in the right place. This guided meditation is the anchor, an invitation to find stillness, create space, and reclaim your mental peace from the constant noise. So, let's begin. You don't need to do a thing or be anywhere else. Just be here. Find a position that feels comfortable and supportive for you right now. Whether that's sitting upright in a chair with your feet flat on the floor, or lying down, feeling the support of the surface beneath you. And whenever you're ready, feel free to softly close your eyes, or just lower your gaze to a soft, unfocused point in front of you. Let's start by just arriving in this space, in this moment, exactly as you are. Give yourself permission to set the day aside and release any expectations for the moments to come. This time is just for you. Now, gently bring your attention to your breath. Don't change it at all. Just start to notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. Notice the feeling of the air as it enters your nostrils, maybe a little cool and fresh. Follow it as it fills your lungs, expanding your chest and belly. And then notice the release as you exhale, the air warmer now as your body softens just a little. Take a long, slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, release the breath with a gentle sigh, letting go of any tension you might be holding. Let's do that again. A deep, nourishing breath in, breathing in a sense of calm, and a long, slow breath out, breathing out any effort. One more time, just like that, inhaling deeply and exhaling completely. Now, just let your breath find its own natural, easy pace. It doesn't need to be deep or forced, just easy, gentle breaths in and out. This breath is your first anchor. It's always here with you, a constant, steady rhythm beneath the surface of everything else. Whenever your mind feels turbulent, know that you can always come back to this simple, profound sensation of breathing. It's your anchor to right here, right now. And now, let's allow that awareness to expand, bringing a gentle attention to the body. Overthinking has a way of pulling us entirely into our heads, disconnecting us from the simple, physical sensations of the here and now. So let's gently guide our attention back. Bring your awareness to the points of contact your body is making with the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body, the gentle pull of gravity holding you securely. Feel the support of the chair or the floor, holding you up completely. Let go and be held. Now, let's bring your focus to the very top of your head. Gently scan your awareness downwards, as if a soft, warm light is slowly moving through you, melting away any tension it touches. Notice your forehead. Is there any tension there? See if you can soften the space between your eyebrows. Release any tension you might be holding around your eyes. Let your jaw be slack, unclenching your teeth and letting your tongue rest comfortably in your mouth. Allow this wave of softness to flow down your neck and into your shoulders. Our shoulders so often carry the weight of our worries. Just consciously invite them to drop, to release, to let go of the burdens they've been holding. Feel them melt away from your ears. Let this gentle awareness travel down your arms, through your elbows, into your wrists, and all the way to the tips of your fingers. Maybe you notice a tingling, a warmth, or simply nothing at all. Whatever you feel is perfectly fine. Gently shift your focus to your chest and your upper back. Notice the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Feel the space around your heart. There's no need to analyze or judge anything, just a gentle noticing. Now, bring your awareness to your belly. This is often where we hold feelings of anxiety or nervousness. Let your belly be soft. Allow it to expand fully with each inhale and gently fall with each exhale. Let go of any need to hold it in. Allow the warmth and softness to continue down through your lower back, your hips, and your legs. Feel the weight and stability in your legs, connecting you to the earth. Follow this sensation all the way down through your knees, your ankles, and into your feet. If you like, you can imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, grounding you deep into the earth, holding you steady and secure. Take a moment to feel your entire body, from the tips of your toes to the crown of your head, held in this gentle, open awareness. Your body is calm, your body is present, and you are safe within it. As you rest here, grounded in your body, anchored by your breath, you might notice your mind is still active, and that's completely normal. The goal of meditation isn't to stop our thoughts, but to change our relationship with them. Imagine each thought is a single leaf floating down a gentle stream. Your only job is to sit peacefully on the bank and simply watch them float by. One leaf appears, you see it, and then you watch it drift away downstream. Then another appears, you see it, and you let it go too. Some leaves might be more compelling. They might swirl in an eddy for a moment, demanding your attention. That's okay. That's the habit of overthinking. When you notice you've been carried away by a thought, when you find yourself no longer on the bank but in the water, simply and gently guide your attention back. This is where your anchor comes in, your breath. The moment you notice your mind has wandered, gently and without any judgment at all, just return your focus to the physical sensation of your breath. Feel the inhale, feel the exhale. This is your act of returning to the present. Every single time you do this, you are strengthening your ability to choose where you place your focus. You are reclaiming your peace from the storm. Let's rest here for a few moments in silence, sitting on the bank of the stream, watching the leaves of thought float by. When a thought hooks you, just notice and gently return to the anchor of your breath. You are the observer, sitting on the bank. Notice the nature of these thoughts. Those replays of past events, they can't be changed by thinking about them more. And those what-if scenarios about the future, they're just stories, possibilities that haven't happened. They are mental projections, not reality. The reality is this moment, the sensation of your breath, the feeling of the ground beneath you. This is what's real. By observing your thoughts without getting tangled up in them, you create space. In this space, you can see that you are not your thoughts. You are the awareness that is aware of the thoughts. This space is where your peace lives. As we continue to sit with this practice, it's so important to bring in some kindness. Overthinking is often fueled by a harsh inner critic. We judge ourselves for our thoughts, for our past actions, for our anxiety. So for the next few moments, let's practice some self-compassion. Acknowledge that overthinking is just part of being human. It often comes from a place of wanting to be safe, to make the right choices, to protect ourselves. It's a protective mechanism that's just gone into overdrive. Place a hand gently over your heart. Feel the warmth of your hand and the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat. And now, silently in your mind, let's offer yourself a few phrases of kindness. May I be patient with my own mind. May I be kind to myself when I'm struggling. May I accept myself just as I am in this moment. You are doing the best you can with what you have. It's okay to have a busy mind. It's okay to feel anxious. You are not broken. You are human. And every time you return to your breath, every time you notice a thought without judgment, you are practicing a profound act of self-care and compassion. Let this feeling of kindness fill your whole being. Let it soften any sharp edges of self-criticism. As our time together starts to come to a close, let's gently begin the process of returning. See if you can keep this feeling of spaciousness and calm with you as you slowly bring your awareness back to the physical sensations in your body. Notice the weight of your body in the chair or on the floor. Bring your awareness back to the room you're in. Notice the ambient sounds around you without needing to label or identify them. Let's gently begin to deepen the breath again. A full, conscious inhale and a long, complete exhale. When you feel ready, you can begin to introduce some gentle movement into your body. Maybe wiggling your fingers and your toes, slowly rolling your shoulders, or gently stretching in any way that feels good to you. Then, only when you're ready and at your own pace, you can softly open your eyes, bringing your awareness fully back to the space around you. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe a little calmer, a little quieter, a little more grounded. Know that this feeling of peace isn't something you have to search for outside of yourself. It's always available to you. Your breath is always your anchor. You can return to this practice, even for just a minute or two, anytime you feel the storm of overthinking begin to gather. Carry this stillness with you into the rest of your day. You can observe your thoughts without being controlled by them. You have the power to return to your anchor. Thank you for sharing this practice today. You've given yourself a wonderful gift. If you found this meditation helpful, I invite you to subscribe for more guided practices to support your well-being. And please feel free to share your experience in the comments below. It helps create a community of support for all of us on this journey. May you be peaceful, may you be calm, and may you move through your day with ease.